pace with love and smiles, sticky glue and paper piles, crafting hearts with silent cheers, fingers crossed through all the years. Ooh. Cut and paste with love and smiles, sticky glue and paper piles, crafting hearts with silent cheers, fingers crossed through all the years. Glitter falls like twinkling stars, spreading joy to hearts afar. Colors clash in splendid blazes, memories trace all those phases. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine. Scissors snip the sweetest notes, words of love on paper boats, floating through the sea of dreams, binding hearts with careful seams. Markers trace your name so fine, stitched within this heart of mine. Tape and ribbon twirl like dancers, crafted love, no second chances. Handmade love for you today, crafted bright in my own way. Every fold and every line, this Valentine says you're mine. You've been there since day one, through the highs and the lows, like and sharing all the fun. You keep this love on its toes. Every click, every cheer means the world, and it's clear in this cyber world, dear, you bring the love so near. Thank you for the likes and shares. Thank you for the way you care. With every post and every prayer, I'm grateful you are there. Through memes and heartfelt posts, you've been my guiding light. You're the ones I brag the most, your support keeps me in flight. In this virtual space we soar, together we've got so much more. You make the Monday not a chore. With you I